Garden Noob here. We're going to do an unboxing and review of this RYOBI 12-inch sliding compound miter saw with LED. I'm curious to see how the LED thing works. I've got, okay guys, go on, I don't need your help. Oh, no. Okay, she decided it's a good hi-hat. Are you nuts? What are you doing? Okay, that's enough. Down. Helga, sit. Helga, sit. I didn't mean sit up here. Oh my goodness. Okay, this unboxing is going to take a little while, I think. Okay, get down. Anyway, we've got a big project going today. Building a huge aquarium shelf setting / bookshelf in the wife's home office. And I've got a lot of heavy cutting with 2x10s to do, so it'll be interesting to see how this works. Well, it's boxed up nice. Looks pretty. Get pulled out of here. Take that all nice and shiny and new. Ready for me to use. This is probably one of the best priced 12-inch compound. I've had it for like 4 months. I haven't ever unboxed it, so I decided while I was unboxing it, I would go ahead and make a little video of it, and then maybe get a little of it in use and give you a review of what I think about it afterwards. What's up? That's cool. Okay, so you just pull a little, that just locks it in place. But get our cuts. Most of my cuts today are going to be at very straight angles. So we'll see how she works. I'm not sure what all this is for yet. Looks like a clamping mechanism. Those go on there just so you can pick it up and move it, I guess, easier. It's pretty cool. Okay, we'll check in later, or y'all can check in later and see how I'm doing with it. Going to do a fish room in her home office, and this is what we're starting with. It's going to be that entire back wall, and you can see her office is in disarray. I just wanted to get a before shot before we got started on this. Okay, we got our initial measurements. This is a first cut with this saw. Honestly, I'm working it opposite-handed. I was going to be going the other way, but this is the way my trailer's in here because it's raining outside. Just right. Yeah, I get my glasses they're on the little shelf there. I forgot to adjust it. I like this. Safety goggles. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to do the see, I've never used the compound type, but I like that. No complaints. Okay. Okay, now we've got the room cleaned out, and Cindy is getting ready to paint the back wall behind where the shelves are going to be. Okay, we've done quite a few cuts with this, and I like it. I like it a lot. Maybe it's because I've never owned one before. I don't know if it hold up to a heavy-duty commercial application, but it might. Only time will tell. But anyway, so RYOBI 12-inch sliding compound miter saw with LED. I like the little LED function. It makes a shadow, makes a good line. You could actually, I could do a cut without actually making a line on it if I had a jig set up for it. Anyway, I'll give it 2 thumbs up, and that's what we're building today. I'll include a
That's not correct though.
Film of the finished product. Yeah, we're going to modify it. We're going to take this shelf off because we were going to go all the way to the ceiling with it, and we found out we have a vent up here that I didn't notice, so I can't cover it up, so we're cutting it off at the 8-foot mark, and then we'll use that as a top shelf up there. Well, I think the saw was a success. We got it together. Took a lot longer than we thought because we're old and slow. But the saw worked out great. If you're trying to decide if you want a RYOBI or not, I get it. But this is going to be our fish tank / office, because this is my wife's office. Anyway, we're going to have, we've got a bow front, 36 gallon goes here, 2 29s. 20 long up here. And then we got 2 10s that will either go up here or they may go in here. We haven't decided yet. We're going to see what they look like. We painted the wall black, and this is going to be black. So we're going to see what it looks like. We'll get it painted either tonight if the caulk dries in time, or we'll paint it in the morning and see how it turns out. So just an update. I was going to film a lot of this going together, but we're tired, and I just didn't need another distraction. Well, we finished our project other than the decoration part of it. As you see, we got that whole shelving system built. And we got 6 aquariums in there. I painted this little desk black to match. And hung her up a TV stand. Table up there. We built this little shelf over here that matches. There's her work setup. And we bought this desk at the flea market for $50 and painted it matching color. all in all, it came out the way we were hoping. One thing we haven't done was put the doors on, but actually we found these little black baskets and we kind of like them. We need to buy more of them, and we might just go with that. By the way, we are in Texas and we got 7 inches of snow last night. So this is a rare sight. Birds out there on the feeder, you can just barely make them out. There's our lazy cat Jax. Jax, turn around and smile for the camera. That's the way he works every day. Anyway, say bye, Noob 2. Noob 2.
Trying to work here, go away.
He's the only one working. I didn't even try to make it work this morning. Well, Garden Noob signing off. Anyway, hope this was kind of informative. I always like to see videos like this before I buy something. And we'll see you on the next one.